Hello friends, welcome on my YouTube channel. I hope you are fine. So as you can see Power BI Desktop. So in this video we are going to learn about basics of Power BI Desktop. And then in the coming next video we are going to perform hands-on as well. Okay, on Power BI Desktop, Power Query Editor. Okay, as well as we create visualization, different visuals, we'll create report and how we can share those reports. We'll learn all these things in the coming videos, but in this video we are going to cover basics of Power BI Desktop. So Power BI Desktop, friends, is the part of business intelligence. Okay, so basically business intelligence is a umbrella in which it is divided into two subparts. One is BI and another is big data. So in BI, what we'll do, basically we'll collect the data. After it, we will analyze the data, means we'll remove the irrelevant data which is not necessary, and after that we can model the data, we'll create relationship. Okay, and after it we'll create report, so that okay, by seeing the reports, end user means the customer will be able to make better business decision. This is nothing but business intelligence. So next, as you can see in business intelligence in BI, okay, there are many different stages are there. So first stage is collection. So we collect the data from customers on premises. Okay, from customer database we'll collect the data. Okay, on which we are going to create report by OLAP system, means online analytical processing system. Then we'll clean the data which we have collected will clean, like there will be some null value, there will be duplicate rows, so we are going to delete, okay, those rows which are not necessary, or replacing the null value with the correct data so that everything will look good, or it will create a report on the correct data, okay, with the help of Power BI Desktop. So after it will share those reports with the end users so that they can make better business decisions, and they will be able to predict, monitor their business trends, how their business is performing, okay, on monthly basis, yearly basis, or quarterly basis, and so on. Then what are the different use cases of BI? So BI nowadays is used in every sector, okay, but these are the few ones. You can see financial reporting and analysis, budget and forecasting, inventory management, performance management, supply chain management, education, healthcare, okay, in corporate world, okay, in everywhere there is use of BI. So wherever data will be there, then BI comes into its action. Okay, then we have BI tools, okay, available in market. So for creating reports we have different type of tools available in market. You can see Tableau, Sense, Power BI. So in this video we are going to focus on Power BI. In the coming videos I will cover Tableau as well as Sense also if possible. Okay, then next question come, what is basically Power BI Desktop? Okay, because I have written on the first slide itself, okay, Power BI Desktop. So Power BI is a BI tool, friends, okay, developed by Microsoft that enable businesses to collect data, means to extract data from the client customer side, okay, customer database. After they will be able to analyze, means those who are using, okay, Power BI Desktop, they will be able to analyze, they will be able to remove the irrelevant data, and after it they will be able to create, okay, reports on the correct data, and after that they will be able to share those reports with the end user, okay, by creating a beautiful dashboards. Okay, so in Power BI we will create reports, okay, dashboards, interactive visuals, so that, okay, so that the end user will be able to predict their business trends, okay, and they will be able to make some decisions. So these are the different, you can say, stages. So first will connect data, means data connection, will connect Power BI Desktop to their database. Then we'll do modeling. Modeling means we'll create a relationship between different tables which we have collected from client, customer, premises databases. Then data transformation will remove the irrelevant data. Then fifth, data visualization. We are going to create report in this particular stage, and after that sharing the reports with the clients, customers. Then why Power BI? Because many different tools are there in the market like Tableau, Quill, Excel. Why Power BI only? What makes you think that Power BI will be a great career option in the coming days? Okay, so these are the few points you can see in black because of its high demand. So nowadays in market, okay, customer wants their report to be deployed. Okay, their reports to be created in Power BI. So it is in high demand. It is easy to learn. Okay, from scratch you'll be able to learn. If you do not know even the technical things, okay, from scratch you'll be able to learn because it's very easy. Affordability, it is open and free. Okay, you'll be able to download from open network. Okay, it is freely available on Microsoft website. NLQ, natural language query. Okay, by typing text you can get insight from the data which you have imported. Real-time streaming is also possible, custom visualization, and it is present on cloud also. Okay, so many okay plus points are there for Power BI nowadays in market. So that's why customer okay demanding this Power BI. Customers want their reports to be created on Power BI. Okay, because it is free and it is very easy to use. Next, what are the three components of Power BI? So friends, there are many components, not only three, but these are the main ones. Okay, Power BI Desktop. So it is free for Windows application. Okay, Power BI Desktop, it is free. You can download from open network. Okay, in this particular Power BI Desktop, you are going to create report. Then second component is Power BI Service. Okay, the report which you have created with the help of Power BI Desktop, you want to share with others, means with the customer or friends, with managers, then you need to buy subscription, then you need to pay. So Power BI service is present on cloud. Okay, if you want to make use of Power BI service, then you have to pay. Okay, $10 per user. Then Power BI mobile. Customer want to see mobile, then they can use Power BI mobile component of Power BI. These are the basic building blocks of Power BI, friends. Okay, first is visualization. Okay, second is report. Third is data sets. Fourth is tiles. Fifth is dashboards. A single visual will call as tiles in Power BI service, friends, and report will call as dashboard in Power BI service. Okay, PBD means Power BI Desktop. So first three are part of Power BI Desktop, and fourth and fifth is part of Power BI service. Okay, so what are the different views in Power BI Desktop? Okay, once you open Power BI, okay, I'll tell you the layout of Power BI also once I'll show you hands on. So as of now, you can focus on theory part, understand the architecture of Power BI, what are different options is there, what term we can use, and in interviews what they might ask. Okay, so these are the general topics in interview they might ask you. So different views we have. So there are three views. Okay, first is report view. So in this report view, okay, users can be able to add visuals. Users will be able to create reports. Users will be able to add pages for their reports, and from here only they will be going to publish on Power BI service. Then in Power BI Desktop we have table view. Okay, so in table view, okay, something which is not possible in Power Query Editor, okay, we are going to perform in table view, like data setting, calculating running totals. Okay, if you want to write some text queries, so we are going to write in table view. Then we have model view. Okay, let's suppose we have added, okay, means imported, okay, or extracted more than two tables, okay, from client environment, and we want to create a relationship between those two tables or data sets, then that will be possible in model view. Okay, so model view, basically we are going to create relationship between different data set or table. Then Power BI Desktop free to use. Yes, I told you it is free and open source. You can download from open network. Okay, but Power BI service is chargeable, friends. $10 you need to pay per user. Okay, but however best can be available from Power BI Desktop only, because you are going to create report on Power BI Desktop. But but just for saving purpose we'll use Power BI service. Okay, then what is the purpose of the get data icon in Power BI? So once you open Power BI desktop, I will show you while performing hands-on. You will get one icon. If you hover your cursor over get that particular data icon, what we can do with get data icon? Okay, so it basically help us to connect Power BI with the different databases or different connectors. So get data is having different connectors. With the help of that particular connectors, we are going to connect with different databases, and from there we are going to extract the data set. Okay, we are going to load the table in our Power BI environment, and after that we can create reports. Okay, I will show you during hands-on what is the use of get data. As of now, you can focus on theory part. What are the three types of data in Power BI? Based on certain condition, if we want to filter our report, okay, so then we can use these three types of filter, okay, based on certain condition. Okay, let's suppose I want to see data, okay, for only United States, only for US, okay, then I can apply filter. So these three types of filter are present. I will tell you during hands-on what is visual level filter, page level filter, report level filter. As of now, you can focus on theory part, okay, because it is important with the point of interview. Then, how is data stored in Power BI? So once we have loaded the data in Power BI, how it is stored? So it is stored in fact and dimension table form. Okay. So what is tags? What are the benefits of using variable index? Okay, I told you in previous slide we have one view, that is table view. So in table view we are going to write this particular tax expressions. So data analysis expression. So as you can see, it is a formula language. Okay, so if you want to perform some basic mathematical calculations, okay, such as calculating the running total, filtering a table based on certain conditions. So these type of requirement, it is not possible in Power Query Editor or what option present in Power BI, but it is possible with the help of DAX expression. Okay, so in hands-on I will show you how we could be able to write DAX expression. So data cannot be inserted, okay, and modified using DAX. So we will not be able to insert any data, okay, or will be able to modify any data, but we can manipulate data. Okay, whatever we want we can manipulate. So how are relationship defined in Power BI desktop? Okay, so in previous slide only we had the model view, right? So what is the use of model view? It is used to create relationship between different data sets. Okay, so there are two ways by which we can create relationship. First is manually, second is auto deduct feature. So Power BI is enough powerful, it will automatically create relationship. Okay, if it is having two tables is having same column name and same data type. Okay, or otherwise manually also it is possible to create for us. So one option will be present in Power Query Editor, which is advanced editor. So what is the use of advanced editor? So whatever transformation, okay, we are going to perform in Power Query Editor, in the backend Power Query, okay, means Power BI will write one query in the form of M language. It is going to write query that will be stored in advanced editor, having all the steps, okay, whatever we have performed during our transformation. So where is data stored during in memory analysis? Okay, so during in memory analysis in Power BI, data is stored in RAM, so that's why Power BI is faster. Is it possible to refresh all the reports after they are published to cloud? Okay, yes, it is possible, but by the help of different gateways. Okay, so how many types of gateways are there in Power BI? So first is on-premises, second is personal gateway. So I will tell you, I will explain you all these gateways. Do not worry during hands-on. So for geographic data, which type of chart can we use in Power BI? So preferably we will use map chart. If you want to show any geographic data, okay, it means like countries, states, city, this type of data if you want to report. represent in reports, so we'll prefer map chart. So why Power BI not Excel? Okay, so Excel is also having many features same as Power BI, but sharing is not possible. We will not be able to share with others in Excel, but in Power BI it is possible. Will Power BI affect my original table or data set? Let's suppose if I am performing certain transformation, if I am removing irrelevant data which is not necessary, so will Power BI will affect my original data? No, it will not affect. Okay, so make sure remember this particular point. It will not affect your original data set. Your original table or data set will be as it is. On the copy of your original data, you are going to perform certain transformations. Okay, so this is our TOC friends. So day 1 we have seen the basics of Power BI. On day 2 means in the coming video we'll cover Power Query Editor, which is part of Power BI desktop only. Then in the next video we'll see how we can create different reports. And after it in the next video we are going to see how we can use filters and so on. As we move ahead we'll cover all the topics. Okay, so in Power Editor, you can see these many transformations we are going to perform. So it is not like that whatever I have listed here, we are going to perform this transformation only. So whatever options is there in Power Editor, we are going to see each and every options and what's their use. So do not worry, but common one which is very popular I have written here. So around 19, you can see around 19 transformation I have written here, but during hands-on we'll cover each and every options which is present in Power Curator. So these transformations we are going to perform in Power Curator friends. Okay, then how we can move from report view to Power Curator. In Power Curator, how we can transform data. We'll see this also. After it will create visual means report, and now you can see. Let's get started now friends. Okay, so in the next video we are going to see hands-on. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and thank you for watching.